Hi, I'm MICHAELJOSH, and you're watching GadgetMatch. Hello from scenic Maui, where Qualcomm flew me down to take part in their annual Snapdragon Summit. This event needs no introduction. It's here every December where Qualcomm launches the chips that will power next year's crop of smartphone. It's pretty fascinating that a chip of this size can do so much, and each year Qualcomm manages to pack even more functionality into it. Now, while a chip may not look exciting on the outside, taking a closer look gives us a peek into what smartphones of 2020 will look like. Here are the top 5 things you'll be most excited about. For the past few years, Qualcomm has taken the charge on 5G, boldly claiming that 5G is here and making big promises about its future. In 2020, they're taking a huge step in this direction, bringing 5G modems to every smartphone powered by both its mid-range and flagship processor. Yep, next year, when you buy a phone with the just-announced Snapdragon 765 or 865 processor, your phone will be a 5G phone. It's exciting news, especially because it also means that mid-range phones will get 5G too. Nokia has already promised that they are making affordable 5G phones next year. Xiaomi is also promising the Redmi K30 and the Mi 10 will be some of the first phones in the world to run Snapdragon 765 and 865 respectively. Snapdragon 865 will enable a whole lot of camera features on smartphones. There'll be even more megapixel pushing in 2020. If this year the record is 108 set by Xiaomi on the Mi Note 10, next year, 200 megapixel phone cameras will be possible thanks to Snapdragon 865. Of course, there are a lot of upgrades, promising better pictures, especially in low light. But what's got me even more excited are the improvements to video, meaning smartphone cameras are also going to be a beast of a video camera. First, there's 8K video capture, or you can now shoot 4K video up to 120 frames per second. And for the first time ever on a mobile device, there's also Dolby Vision support, meaning the same standard used in many movies and high-end TV shows is now on your phone. The promise is better looking video. Here's a side-by-side to show you the difference. You know how it's sometimes difficult to put your finger on just the right spot when trying to unlock your phone in one of those phones with an in-display fingerprint scanner? To solve that, Qualcomm has increased the size of the area where you place your finger, this entire square that you see here. This means unlocking your phone should be easier than ever. And if you're looking for even more security, you can actually use 2 fingerprints to unlock your phone at the same time. Whenever I review a phone, the question I get asked from you a lot is this phone going to be able to play all my favorite games? Qualcomm understands this, so they're making sure all their phones are built with gamers in mind. Gamers will especially appreciate support for 144Hz displays. I'm pretty sure the next ROG phone will have one. Of course, there's a lot of heavy-duty processing under the hood. Qualcomm is promising desktop quality. This means that mobile games will get the same level of realism on desktop games, thanks to things like better graphics rendering. Qualcomm's artificial intelligence engine is now on its 5th iteration. And here's a fun fact. The AI engine on the Snapdragon 865 delivers 15 TOPS of AI performance. TOP stands for trillion operations per second. That's insane. One real-world example of what it can do is live translation. We saw how a reference phone was able to live translate from English to Mandarin, and all of this happened on the device without having to connect to a server. These are just 5 of some of the many features coming to Snapdragon phones in 2020. There's much more I didn't cover, like how Qualcomm and Google are partnering to make secure digital IDs a reality. That's a work in progress, but everything else will happen as soon as the first quarter of 2020. My guess is in time for Mobile World Congress in February. 2020 is looking to be a very exciting year for smartphone lovers, and I can't wait to be a part of it. For more videos like this one, you know the drill, folks. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that bell icon so that you get notified every time we post a new video. Follow us on social media for all the behind-the-scenes fun stuff. And as always, make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. Until the next video, I'm MICHAELJOSH. Thanks for dropping by.